अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चैप्टर नंबर 2 में इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर में बहुत दफ़ा आ चुके हैं, इन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफाइन एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री। 2, एक्सप्लेन फिल्ट्रेशन थ्रू गूज क्रूसिबल। 3, व्हाट इज बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन। 4, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन गूज क्रूसिबल एंड सिंटर्ड ग्लास क्रूसिबल। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, define distribution law, how it is helpful in solvent extraction. 6, how saturated solution for crystallization can be prepared. 7, write down the uses of chromatography. 8, write methods of drying of crystal, or write any two method for drying of crystals, या फिर give two disadvantages of drying the crystal in the fold of filter paper. Short question number 9, why is there a need to crystallize a crude product? 10, what is the safe and reliable method for drying crystal and why? 11, how crystals are dried in an oven? 12, state sublimation, give two example. 13, define filtration and crystallization. 14, write down 4 main characteristics of solvent selected for crystallization of a compound. 15, how chemical characterization of a compound is done, or mention only step involved in complete quantitative analysis, quantitative determination. Short question number 16, define qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis of a compound. 17, how does rate of filtration increase by using fluted filter paper as compared to paper? 18, how are crystal dried using filter paper, give its two disadvantages. 19, how are crystal dried in a vacuum desiccator? 20, name various experimental techniques which are used in purification of a substance. Short question number 21, why concentrated HCl and KMnO4 solution cannot be filtered by gauge crucible? 22, write names of major steps involved in crystallization. 23, differentiate between stationary phase and mobile phase in chromatographic technique. 24, how crystals are decolorized, how decolorization of undesirable color is done for crystals in crystallization process. Short question number 25, differentiate between adsorption and partition chromatography. 26, define RF value and why it has no unit, or what is chromatography and RF value. 27, define solvent extraction and partition law. Short question number 28, iodine is more soluble in water in presence of Ki. Explain. Or iodine dissolve radially in carbon tetrachloride. Why? Short question number 29, how crystals are dried by filter paper. What is disadvantages of this method? 30, why fluted filter paper is used for greater rate of filtration than ordinary cone filter paper. तो ये था जी हमारे पास चैप्टर नंबर 2 के अंदर जो भी पास्ट पेपर में इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं। इन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को कम से कम लाजमी देख लीजिएगा। इनमें कुछ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कि बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, मतलब एक फिल्टर पेपर वाला है, वो अगर एक ही शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आप प्रिपेयर कर लोगे, बाकी जितने भी हमारे पास शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन 2-3 इस तरह के रिपीट हुए हैं उसमें सेम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पुट कर सकते हो। तो ये था जी हमारे पास आज का लेक्चर। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।